Hey, hello everyone. So today's problem is word subsets. So in this problem, what we are going to do is we have given two arrays, that is word 1 and words 2. In both of the array, we have some strings. So we have to find all the superset of word A which can have all the words inside words 2 array. What I want to say is exactly is, let's take this word Amazon. We should be able to make every single word, every single string in words 2 from the word or string Amazon. Similarly, from Apple, we should be able to make all the words inside words 2, all the strings in words 2 from Apple, and similarly all the strings in words 2 should be able to make in Facebook. So what we have to do is we have to find a vector string in which we have all the strings from word 1 from which we can make all the strings of word 2. Okay, so the first thing that is coming in my mind is, if we can somehow form a single string from words 2 which is a minimum superset of words 2. Minimum superset is to create all the words inside, to create all the strings in words 2, I should have minimum EO string in which I can have as much as characters between E, after O, before E, doesn't matter, but it should contain at least one E and one O. Similarly, to contain all the letters, all the strings in words 2, I should have at least one L and one E inside that particular string from word 1. So what I want to say is, first of all, we have to pre-calculate a single word for which we have to find a superset in word 1. So let's start. Once I'll code, you will understand what I want to say, but I guess you might have able to get the idea or at least picture of what we are going to do. So for my convenience, what I'm going to do is, let's make it B. Okay, let's start with just this side. Okay, B dot size, and let's declare a vector int okay, no issues, C of size 26,0, because maximum number of characters that we can have in English alphabet is 26. Okay, and initially they are all 0. So basically we will just create a single word with the minimum requirement of every single character inside words 2 vector of all the strings. So let's start with I less than m and I plus plus. Okay, so what we have now is string s, which is bi. Yes, now what we will do is vector int f, again of 26 character with 0, and for auto x in s f x minus a plus plus. Okay, and for int I int j equals to 0, j less than 26, j plus plus, Cj will be max of Cj and Fj. Okay, so what I am doing is I am finding the maximum number of characters in a particular string in words 2 that I should have, because we have to make all the strings inside words 2 from a single word from words 1, or from a single string from words 1. So this vector C will contain the minimum requirement of every character in English alphabet that we should have. More than that we are happy, but less than that we will be unable to make particular word from words 2. Similarly, now we will predefine. I am just calculating pre-calculating for words 1, but it is not necessary. Okay, and D of size n comma 20 n comma 26. Okay, I am similarly calculating for every single words in words 1. Nothing so kind of like rocket science or at all. Okay, so int again I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and I have a string s which will be ai, then I'll go for photo x of s and di x minus a plus plus. Okay, now I have everything. Let's compare them. For int I equals to 0, I less than 26, and I plus plus. Okay, no, I less than n. Yes, I can do it here. Okay, now let's say we have bool check equals to true. Okay, and for int j equals to 0, j less than 26, j plus plus, and if di j is less than cj, then our check will be false and just break. And if check is correct, then answer dot push back. What we have to push back, that is our string s. Okay, and we'll just return our answer. Okay, and we have to define answer. Okay, let's check out, guys. Submit. Okay, this is working fine, no issues. Okay, what I have done exactly here is I am just explaining again so that everyone can understand. So I just defined an array. What this vector in vector contains is, for every single word inside words 1, it contain how much counting of the every character inside that, nothing at all, like how many a's in this, how many m are there in this, how many z, how many o, how many n, nothing else. So I just pre-calculate it till here, till here, just pre-calculate it. Then I'll compare it with the every character inside C, that is our minimum requirement of every single character. So I just calculate it with every single character. If its count is less than number of minimum characters required in C, then definitely we will not be unable to make some particular string in word 2 from that. So if we will be unable to make, then definitely that is not the superset for every string in words 2. So we will just go with the false and we will break it. Otherwise we will just push inside the answer, nothing else, and we will give the answer. So what is the time complexity here? For time complexity I will say here it is just of m into length of every single string, that is maximum string, and here it is of n into length of every single string. So it will be kind of big of max of n comma m into max of words 1 dot length or words 2 dot length. Words 1. So see you guys. Words 1 dot length or words 2 dot length. Okay, so kind of 10 is to the power 5, and 10 is to the power is kind of like big of n. So yes, that's the maximum complexity. See you guys, bye bye.